Welcome to the UPSC General Studies Champions Kit. The journey of becoming a civil servant is not an easy one. But we're so proud of you because we know that for you it's more than just passing an exam. It's about making a commitment to serving the nation, making a difference. And we really hope that this online course can help you achieve that. So let's begin by taking a quick look at the various features and structure of this course so that you can make the best of it. The initial module is the foundation of your prep. It includes some awesome tips and expert advice on how to approach your studies and the exam itself. The cheat sheet will blow your mind with its detailed breakdown of the weightage of every lesson and topic in the entire syllabus. We've analyzed hundreds of question papers and used AI to get this accurate analysis, so we're really confident that this section will help you prioritize your study plan. Next, we've put together a list of recommended reading materials from NCERT, NIOS and IGNOU. As you might already know, we at Gyaniversity have published over 1,000 books from IGNOU, NIOS, and these books can really help you get the details of every topic for UPSC. Apart from this, you'll also get access to reference materials like the previous year question papers and textbooks in PDF format. In the Books by Gyaniversity publication section, you'll dive into the heart of your syllabus with our new simplified study materials for your subject. The Gyan Ganga series guidebooks have been specifically designed to give you a comprehensive and detailed overview of every topic by reading as little as possible. The language used in these books are very easy to understand, and they are built using the mind mapping technique so that you can learn visually and remember what you have read for a long time. Next, we've provided you with the previous year practice questions so that you can challenge yourself with actual questions from the past UPSC exams. You'll get to know which year every question was asked, the correct answer for it, and the logical reasoning for every answer immediately. These sections and quizzes do not have any time limit, so you can take your time and practice at your own pace. The mock tests, however, they mimic the real exam environment. The tests are designed to check your preparation levels. The full-length tests for prelims and mains have been created with a lot of care so that it matches UPSC standards in terms of difficulty, time limit, and scoring. Next, our topic-wise and subject-wise practice questions help you learn continuously as you practice with a huge database of over 40,000 questions covering literally everything. So you can be sure to ace your exams if you practice this section thoroughly. Finally, we have the video lectures which we've put together after a lot of research as an added bonus so that you can get only the best. Navigating through our platform is very easy. Use the personalized student dashboard to access all courses. Use the My Quiz Attempt section to see detailed results and answer keys to all your mock tests and practice quizzes that you've attempted. If you need help, please reach out to us within the course using the question and answer section. We care about you deeply and we truly want to help. So if you need to, please reach out to us and we will be happy to assist you. Before diving into the course, I recommend you take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the course. Browse through each of the sections to understand how the materials are organized. Set your study goals and plan your schedule using the tools and resources that we've provided inside the course. We're so thrilled to support you on this path to acing the UPSC exams. With hard work, determination, and our comprehensive course content, you are on the right track. So all the very best, and we'll see you inside the course.